What is up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be starting a new series called Is It Actually a Good Car? And the first victim is going to be the Bugatti Chiron. So yeah, if you are new here,
hello sexy banana.
And just to give you guys an idea of how the series is going to go, I'm just going to do this one time to let you guys know what's going to happen. So we're going to talk about price, we're going to talk about engine, fuel efficiency, maintenance costs, and we're going to talk about insurance, loan payments, and looks on the inside and outside, and then sound, and then we're going to have a conclusion. Seems very fun. But I promise you, it's fun. It's gonna be fun. So, is the Bugatti Chiron a good car? Whenever I'm looking for an imaginary car, I always tend to find myself looking at the price first. So what is the price of the Bugatti Chiron? Well, the Bugatti Chiron base is $3.8 million, and with option it goes up to $4.1 million. Then the second thing I always concern myself with is engine. What is the engine of this car? Well, it has an 8-liter 16-cylinder quad-turbo engine with 1500 horsepower, capable of doing 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds.
Baby Jesus.
Next up is fuel efficiency. It does 8 miles per gallon in the city, and it does 13 miles per gallon on the highway. A lot more like my EcoBoost Mustang. I don't know why my EcoBoost Mustang does Chiron fuel efficiency, but it is what it is. So it's definitely not the best when it comes to fuel efficiency. However, the engine is quite solid. There isn't many 16-cylinder quad-turbo cars with 1500 horsepower out there. But anyways, so now we're going to talk about maintenance, and I've kind of done this over 4 years. So over 48 months, you will spend $500,000, which means you will be paying $10,000 per month. But that will not be the only thing you'll be paying for. I promise. There's a lot more where that came from. Because insurance will set you back 4.1K per month. US dollars as well. Insurance is quite an important thing, so I mean, it makes sense. If you guys haven't seen my latest video, you'll understand why you need insurance, especially if you drive a Bugatti Chiron. Next up is loan payments, or in other words, monthly installments. So after you pay 10% of a down payment, which is $326,000, 10% of the value of the car, for 5 years, every single month, you will be paying 56,000 US dollars. And that is a total of $70.1 thousand on a monthly basis. No, it's a little too zoomed in, isn't it? Let's zoom a little out. All right, it's fine. Everything's shaking. The tripod is unstable. Everything's horrible out here. Anyways, we shall move on to looks. First is the outside. The exterior of this car is definitely a pretty sight. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. You take a look at it. It looks quite nice. Okay, it looks like a Bugatti Chiron. That's the most important thing. And there's this C arch on the side of the car that lets you know that it's also the Chiron. So yeah, the exterior is eye-pleasing, unlike this ring light that is blinding me. My dog drinking water. I don't know what to do anymore. Moving on to the interior of the car. Now, the interior is one timeless piece, and I'm talking without even looking at the interior of the car. I'm trying to remember what it looks like. It is timeless. I know it's timeless. I know it's really nice. I know you have this little split thing in between the drivers, which is quite nice. You can personalize it to a whole new level. And the next thing we're gonna talk about is sound. Now, I'm gonna let you guys take a listen. So now that you guys have heard what it sounds like, let's have a conclusion. The price of the car is definitely not a good starting point, but we all know that the Bugatti Chiron is quite an expensive car. But not only is it expensive, it's also kind of very hard to find. The car looks amazing on the exterior and on the interior, and it does sound good. It's very expensive to maintain, it's very expensive to own, it's very expensive to insure, everything about it is very expensive. But ultimately, you wouldn't be buying a Bugatti Chiron if you didn't have enough money to do all these things to it. In my humble, broke opinion, I would give this car a 7 out of 10. Now, if in the near future, I do an M5 or an M3 or anything else, and I give it more of a rating, it's just because, is it actually a good car in terms of everything? The Bugatti is fast and it looks nice, but there are a lot of fast cars that look nice. Yes, not as fast as the Chiron. Yes, not as unique looking as the Chiron, but they look good enough and they're fast enough for daily use. I mean, 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds is just kind of uncalled for. It's just kind of, it's unnecessary. It's unnecessary. You want to enjoy those 9 seconds that your car takes to get to 100. You see me, I sit in my EcoBoost for 67 seconds. I mean, it depends on the car's mood. Sometimes it's 6, sometimes it's 7 seconds, and I just enjoy those 7 seconds. It's over in 2.3 seconds. I can't remember what rating I gave it, but I'm gonna give it a 6. If I didn't give it a 6 before, it is now a 6. A 6 out of 10. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what car you guys want to see next, so we can make a video about it. Hopefully this series does well. What I'm hoping for is this series to be something unique to the channel that, you know, would bring in a lot of viewers and a lot of new people. It is not going to be the main focus of the channel, obviously. And that is it for this very nice new series that I hope you guys liked. I really hope you guys liked this video. I had a lot of fun filming. I usually hate filming those green screen videos because it's really hard to put the green screen up, and it's really hard to light it because I have the worst ring light in existence, and my mom took her nice one that I used to steal to film those green screen videos. So life is tough. But today, I mean, I put up the green screen and England and France are playing in 6 minutes. So I did manage to film this video fast. I will go watch the game. Anyways, look who keeps dragging videos on longer than they need to be. Me. Always. I always do this, and I'm still talking. Anyways, I'll see you guys next video.